Homeopathy 360 has been continuously growing as a brand. We've been receiving overwhelming response from students all around the world. Not just students, we have received responses from teachers, from professionals and from clinicians, from homeopaths from all around the world, and that's really overwhelming. Lately we have facelifted the website and we have added a number of new features to it. We've been launching a number of programs. We just recently, last year, we hosted the All India Vision Books Quiz Marathon, wherein we received a huge response from all around the world. The quiz was actually intended for Indians, but responses came from all over the world, from different parts of the world. Then we launched the series called Teach Beyond Boundaries, that is purely with the intention of bringing teachers to the platform so that you get to interact with them. Not just from your college, you get to interact with teachers from across different colleges from India and abroad, of course. We have added book reviews section, we have added article section, we have added teachers corner, we have added the author nexus, where teachers, authors, they write their viewpoints, they write articles, they publish their blogs, and that's how when you read them you get to know what they think about different aspects of homeopathy. Then this series also includes live webinars, live sessions with teachers, where the gap between student and teacher bridges. You get to interact with those teachers, with authors. The name of this series, Beyond Boundaries with Homeopathy 360, that has been temporarily devised to tell you that the sky is the limit. You can go beyond the boundaries of your college to unravel the information that lies outside in the field. The latest advancements and whatever is going on around the world, that you get on Homeopathy 360. Now there are many more plans which are in the pipeline, and the team is working really hard to get those plans out and implemented on Homeopathy 360. So we'll come out with different programs such as the All India Vision Books Quiz Marathon, such as the Beyond Boundaries program, and we have a number of programs lined up. So let's keep growing together, and we really want you to join us, to join the family of Homeopathy 360. And to connect with us, you can find us on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube and social media platforms.